Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today's story is The Birds Pick a King. Once, a group of birds decided to elect a new king for themselves and called a meeting. One of the birds said, Garuda is busy serving Lord Vishnu and hardly has time to listen to our woos. Let us elect a new king from amongst ourselves. All the birds agreed with the suggestion. Several debates and discussions took place among the birds. But finally, they decided to crown the owl as the king of all birds. The birds thought the owl was a powerful creature and could see during the night, and hence could offer better protection against other animals. All of a sudden, a crow flew in and asked the purpose of the meeting. All the birds knew that the crow was an intelligent bird. So they decided to seek his opinion. They said, We decided to crown the owl as the king of all birds. The crow said, Why have you chosen an owl as our king? An owl is blind during the day, it is ugly, and it preys on other birds. Perhaps a peacock or a swan could be a better choice. The birds agreed with the crow's argument. So they decided to postpone the election and then conveyed the decision to the owl. The owl became furious and he approached the crow and said, You have spoke against me and deprived me of honor being the king. From today onwards, you and me will be enemies. The crow was lost of his words, but it was too late to apologize. So guys, the moral of the story is, we should think twice before we act or voice our opinions. So guys, if you're new to my channel, to find it, go to Arjun, California and check out my other videos too. So, it is the end of today's video. I hope you like it. Make sure to subscribe, click the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.